guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do an eyeshadow look using the new ColourPop palettes. It is the Sol and Mar palettes. These are so beautiful. Like I saw them and I was like, I have to get them because they're so summer. They just scream summer to me, and like I had to get them. So I wanted to do an eyeshadow look, and I definitely wanted to incorporate both eyeshadow palettes. I didn't want to do just one because both have so many pretty colors and I wanted to incorporate both into this. So I loved how they came out. So I really love it. These are the palettes right here. I really love this blue one. Like that pop of color just called my name. And then warm tones, like I'm a warm tone girl, so I have to use this. And they're really beautiful. You'll see what I think of them overall. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look using the new ColourPop Mud and Soul palettes, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so first we're going to go in with this shade right here. It is called Boozy. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M441 brush. It's super dirty because I've been doing really colorful looks, so don't mind that. So there is some fallout from just picking up the product, but not a big deal. It's really pigmented though. It's coming on really nicely. Okay, now next I'm going to be going into the Soul palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's called New Digs. And I'm going to be using the same brush. I'm just putting that kind of on top. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. It's called Ooh. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M506 brush and kind of focusing that into the crease. These are really pigmented so far, so I really like that. And they're blending really nicely with each other, and you don't need a lot of product to apply them. By the way, I am wearing the ColourPop foundation today. I know that in my review I said that it didn't wear that well on me, but it does wear nicely for like, if I'm only going to wear it for a few hours, like 4 or 5 hours, then it's okay, but after that it's just game over. Okay, so next I'm going to be cutting the crease. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 08. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with this beautiful shade right here. It's called Gridlock. When I saw this palette, that shade really caught my eye, and I was like, I know I have to get this. And I was super excited to try it, so we're going to see. That is honestly such a pretty shade, like, I love it. So there is some fallout, so I actually would recommend putting some translucent powder underneath your eye before you apply anything that does tend to have fallout, because then you can just sweep it away with that powder. So I'm just going to do that real quick. These colors are so pigmented and they're applying so nicely. Like, I really don't need too much product. I'm picking up like little by little so I don't overdo it, but you really don't need that much. Alright, so now I'm just going to sweep away that translucent powder. and it'll just take away any pigment that fell from those eyeshadows. And I use the ColourPop No Filter Translucent Powder. I really love that powder. I've been using that a lot for baking and stuff because it's really like, it really highlights. It's really good at highlighting. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into the Soul palette and use this shade right here. It's called Floaties. And I'm just going to focus that kind of in the outer crease. They are so pigmented. Like, do you see? That was like one tap of product. So. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with these orange shades, right? This one right here. Again, that one's called Ooh. And I'm just going to put that in the lower lash line. And then right on top of that, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And then lastly, back in with this shade right here. Alright, so only thing is I do wish there was more of a highlighting shade in these. They don't really have one. I guess this one kind of, but I don't know. We're gonna try that and put that in the inner corner. Actually, that's a nice inner corner. Ooh, and they're really pigmented. Like, I love all of ColourPop's eyeshadows. They never disappoint because they are just so pigmented. Alright, so next I'm just going to apply eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Ciate London Starstruck eyeliner. So next I'm just going to be applying mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Falsies mascara. Alright, so next I'm just going to apply lashes, and I actually just bought a bunch from Coco Lashes and I don't know which ones to do yet. Here are some that I picked out for today's look. I don't know which one yet. I have Muse right here, and then Amore. I've already worn these. Oops, they're upside down. I've already worn those before, a lot actually, so I know that those look good. And then Baby G. I don't know. I'm going to take them out and see which one I like best. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with Baby G. I haven't tried these yet, so I want to try them out, and they look really pretty. And when I saw on their Instagram, that's why I chose to get them, because they looked really pretty on like people that wore them. So we're just going to try these today, and I'm just going to apply these off camera really quickly. If you don't know how to apply lashes and you want some tips, then I would say go check out my last video, which is a do's and don'ts of how to apply false lashes. Alright guys, so my lashes are on, and I really like these actually. They're new. I've only used like Goddess, Queen Bee, Stella, and Amore from Coco Lashes, and I decided that I wanted to buy more because I already love the ones that I have so much. So I went and bought like 8 pairs, and I love them, guys. They're so affordable, and they're like dupes for a lot of high-end lashes. Like, I think they wear so nicely. They're reusable for so many times. So if you guys aren't on that Coco Lashes train, then you should get on it because they are bomb. Alright, so next we're just going to be applying lipstick. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Speed Dial. This is kind of like another full face of ColourPop video. Whoops. I haven't worn a liquid lipstick in so long. I feel like it's been a while. And now I'm just going to wait for that to dry a little bit, and then I'm going to apply the Ultra Glossy Lip from Shayla and ColourPop. I really love this gloss. I've already talked about it, so you guys probably don't want to hear more. But I'm just going to set this right on top. Alright, so now that our face is done, I'm just going to go ahead and set my face. I'm going to be using the Scandinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. I love this finishing spray, guys. It's really, really good. I definitely recommend it. They also have an oil-free one, which I like to use a lot because I get really oily. You guys already know, so definitely recommend that. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I really, really enjoyed these palettes. They are honestly such a cute combo. Like, I love this idea, and the packaging is so nice. Overall thoughts, I really, really like the packaging, like I just said. I like the whole 9 shadows thing. Like, they're just so much easier to travel with, and I really like this palette because I know that I tend to go for a lot of warm tones, so I'll definitely be traveling with this a lot. But then I also love this palette because I just love the blues and those pops of colors. Like, they're just gorgeous, and like I love how this look came out. So I really love the combination in both palettes. I love the concept of Solimar. It's so beautiful, and I love that it comes with a mirror. That is so helpful and useful, especially when traveling. Like, if you're gonna take these palettes traveling, they already come with a mirror, and they're only $12, guys. Like, for that price point, it is amazing. And then the names are also on the back, so especially in tutorials like these, like, it's so easy to use them because I'll just go like this and, you know, point to the shade and I'll tell you that's Boozy right there. So, I'm sorry, the mirror's already dirty, my fingerprints. But overall, I really, really loved these palettes. The packaging is great, like I said. The pigmentation is amazing. The blendability is great. I love the colors that came in. I think that they should definitely make more palettes like these, like the little 9 eyeshadows and then the mirror. I love this idea. I'll definitely be purchasing any other palettes that they come out with like this because I know that ColourPop shadows are amazing. I've always loved them, and especially these press shadows that have been coming out lately. Like, they're just so pigmented and so blendable, and I really love how this look came out, and I know that there's so many other looks I can do with these. There are just a lot of colors and a lot of ways you can use it. Like, I've already used this blue one and they blend so, so nicely. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you liked how this look came out. If you guys have any looks that you guys did with this palette, definitely let me know and tag me on Instagram at @GlamByDeannaEP. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. This one, because both have so many pretty... Because... Why am I keep holding this upside down?